Hello everyone. So welcome to our new lecture. Now in this lecture we are going to solve some questions from practice set 10.1. In the previous lecture we have seen the division of monomial by a monomial and a division of polynomial by a monomial. Now in this lecture we are going to solve the question from the practice set. Okay. So let us start with the very first question. We have to divide a monomial, that is 21 m square 21m square divided by 7m. So the first question is we have to divide 21m square by 7m. So how we can divide that? Very easy to do so. So 21m square is my dividend and 7m is my divisor. Okay. Now I want a term, that term which I will multiply to 7m. My answer should be 21m square. So I want here 21m square. So for that purpose, in the question I want a term which will be multiplied to the divisor, to the 7m, and we will get the answer as 21m square. So we know that 7 3s are 21. Okay, 7 3s are 21, and if I multiply m by m, so m into m is nothing but m square. Okay, so we get here 21m square minus 21m square. So the remainder becomes 0 and our quotient is 3m. So 3m is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. Okay, so therefore we can write 21m square divided by 7m, it is equal to 3m. What is the answer? 3m. Okay. Now let us see the another sub question. Now the third sub question is minus 48p raised to 4 divided by minus 9p square. Okay. So here we have to divide minus 48p raised to 4 by minus 9p square. Okay, you can see that for both the terms the power is different. Okay, for the first term power is 4 and the second term power is 2, and the first term has negative sign and second term also have negative sign. Okay, now we have to find the quotient and remainder for this sub question. So the dividend is minus 48p raised to 4 and the divisor is minus 9p square. Okay. Now here I want a term which will give me minus 48p raised to 4. Okay, minus 48p raised to 4 हमें यहाँ पर चाहिए, और उसके लिए मुझे एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन लगेगा जिसे अगर मैं डिवाइजर से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो मुझे माइनस 48p raised to 4 आना चाहिए. ओके, सो वी नो दैट 48 डज नॉट कम्स इन द टेबल ऑफ 9. ओके, 48 इज नॉट देयर इन द टेबल ऑफ 9, so we cannot take a simple number over here. Okay, we will not get the multiplication of 9 by any number and the answer is not going to be 48. So what we can do, now we know that 16 into 3, 16 into 3 it is 48. 16 3s are 48. So if I write 16 upon 3 into 9, what will be my answer? The answer is going to be 48, as 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9 and 16 3s are 48. So here we can take minus 16 by 3. Okay, then we will get minus, then we will get 48. I will take plus 16 upon 3 as minus into plus becomes minus over here. Okay, so we get minus 48, and we know if I multiply p square by p square I will get p raised to 4. Okay, so now minus minus becomes plus, So plus 48p raised to 4 minus 48p raised to 4 will give me 0. Okay, so this is my remainder and my quotient is 16 upon 3 p square. Okay, so at the end we can write minus 48p raised to 4 divided by minus 9p square is equal to 16 by 3 p square. Okay, and at the end we have to write quotient is, what is the quotient? Quotient is 16 upon 3 p square and the remainder is 0. Okay, so this is the required answer. Now to the next question. Now the next sub question is, we have to divide 21x raised to 4 minus 14x square plus 7x by 7x cube. Okay, so this is the dividend and this is the divisor, and we want to find the quotient and remainder for this polynomial. Okay, so what we can do, 21x raised to 4 minus 14x square plus 7x, okay, divided by 7x cube. Now 21x raised to 4, okay, so here I can take 7 3s are 21, okay, and x cube into x will give me x raised to 4. X cube into x will give me x raised to 4. In that case 21x raised to 4 minus 21x raised to 4 is 0, and we will have minus 14x square plus 7x down. Okay, now you can see the power of x 14x square, that is 2, okay, and the power in the divisor is 3. Okay, so we are not going to further divide these terms. Okay, in that case, as the power of the dividend is less than the divisor. Okay, so this is going to be my remainder. Okay, this will be my remainder and my quotient is 3x. Okay, so we can write, therefore quotient is (3x) and the remainder is minus 14x square plus 7x. Okay, this is my remainder and this is the quotient. Now let us see one more question. Now we have to divide 25m raised to 4 minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8 by 5m cube. Okay, so the dividend is 25m raised to 4 minus 15m raised to 3 plus 10m plus 8. Okay, and the divisor is 5m raised to 3. Okay, now first term, I want here 25m raised to 4. Okay, so we know 5 5s are 25. Okay, and m raised to 3 into m will give me m raised to 4. Okay, so 25m raised to 4 minus 25m raised to 4 will give me 0. Okay, minus 15m raised to 3 plus 10m plus 8. Okay, now we know that 5 into minus 3. 5 into minus 3 will give me minus 15. Okay, 5 into minus 3 is nothing but minus 15, and m raised to 3 into 1 is m raised to 3. Okay, so we get here minus 15 m raised to 3 minus 15 m raised to 3. So minus minus, this becomes plus. Okay, so minus 15 m raised to 3 plus 15 m raised to 3 will become 0, and plus 10 m plus 8. Okay, now here you can see the maximum power or the degree is 1 and the degree of the divisor is 3. So we are not going to further divide this term. Okay, so this will be my remainder, and 5m minus 3 is going to be my quotient. Okay, so at the end we can write, therefore quotient is 5m minus 3 and the remainder is 10m plus 8. Okay, so this is the required solution for this sub question. Now in this lecture we have seen 4 sub questions from practice point 1. So your homework will be, you have to solve the remaining sub questions of the same practice set. Okay, now in the next lecture we will see the division of polynomial by a binomial. Okay, until then, goodbye.